Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put page border in Excel sheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to put the page border to this sheet. At first, select your sheet or the page. We go to the page layout menu and select the size drop down menu. You can select your size. Now I am select my size A4. Then zoom out the document, click the zoom out option and zoom out the document. Then we select the full page, otherwise you can select only your sheet. Now I am select my full page. Go back the home menu, select the borders drop down menu and select all border. Then we go to the file menu, click the print option and check the preview. We can see we put page border in Excel sheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.